Good morning, guys. So I started to work on Blaine's car, but he just reminded me how soon we're gonna go drifting. I didn't realize it was gonna come up that fast. So I'm gonna start working on my car because we need to make sure that it runs and it's good before the drift event if possible. I always do this thing where I wait until the last second and then we end up not making it to the drift event. So this time I'm gonna try to be a little bit more prepared and start a couple of weeks in advance so that way if anything goes wrong we have time to order parts. So one of the things that I need to do is put the manifold gaskets in.
You gotta pump a J to this one. You can't roll a blunt up to this one. What's your name? I see some ladies tonight. The shit we rolling with Jason. Jason. What's your name? I see some ladies tonight. The shit we rolling with Jason. Everybody's like, he's no item. Please don't like him. He don't wife him. He one night some. Now she don't like him. She never met him. Groupies try to take advantage of him. He won't let him.
When we did the engine swap, I painted all these covers black, but honestly I didn't like it and I felt like I should have picked silver. And since the car caught on fire so many times, all the paint has pretty much came off. So right now is a good time to go in and kind of make this engine look a little bit better. There's still all the foam from the fire extinguisher in the engine bay, so I want to clean it up a little bit. But I didn't know that this Lexus emblem right here is chrome, so I'm using a wire brush to try to get all the paint off. I think I'm going to run this chrome and then probably paint everything else silver. Never mind, all of this film is coming up. It's like a chrome film, so it's all coming up on the edges and it's wrinkling right here, so it's okay. I'll just take off this film and then I'll paint it silver. I don't know if I can paint, whatever. I hit it with the spray can paint. It's not gonna be the best, but anything is better than what it was. At least it doesn't look patchy anymore. And this is the only color I had, but I feel like it looks pretty good.
I got black, I got white, what you want? Hop outside and go down, flip that fan on. I know I'm about to blow, whoa, whoa, I ain't done. They try to take my flow, I take 3 out the ransom. I know that I'm gone, they see me blowing up, now they say they want some. I got 2 twin Glocks, 3 to a dancer. I see 2 twin ops, leave them on the band, none. I got 2 thick dots, wanna link the game. I got red, I got blue, what you want? The Chanel or Balenciaga, Louis and Vuitton.
I just took this part off and there's a whole bunch of the thing that the fire extinguisher shoots out. The spray is all over here, and it's funny because there's all the random things that we drop inside the engine. So there's these nuts and bolts. Also this razor blade is in there, so I guess it's a good time to clean everything up. But I'm gonna just put the new gaskets on and then start sealing everything back up.
See how gross the gaskets look? Is there a gasket on there? You took them
No,
off?
these are the gaskets.
Okay, yeah, you see how they're leaking? Look at how gross that looks. You gotta scrape it with a razor blade.
Okay.
Especially that part right there.
Look, all these things are underneath there too.
Oh, good, yeah.
Yeah. How do you know that it was leaking?
Or not leaking, but it's all gross, so that's not sealing well, you know?
Do I have to put like RTV or something on it?
I don't think so. As long as it's a smooth surface, and then we have the brake cleaner so we can
Clean it?
yeah.
Is it okay for brake cleaner to go in with Does this fuel injector need to be replaced if it had all this stuff on it?
No, I don't know what that is though. Oh.
It's the fire extinguisher stuff.
Yeah, see, so that means it was leaking, because if it got into where the gas is supposed to be, that means it was leaking. Right?
Yeah.
Okay, so wait, you have to tell them what you're doing right now.
Oh, so using the razor blade that we found in the engine, we scraped all the crud or whatever that was on top here, so that way we can put the new gaskets on. But before I do that, I want to take off these and repaint them. I don't like the black. I'd rather have it be silver, so we're gonna do that now. And I think oleum is silver, so I feel like that just looks better.
Yeah, I think we wanted, or I said it would look good in black, but it kind of does, but because we caught it on fire a bunch of times, it doesn't look good anymore.
It does. I don't like the black.
Yeah, and the silver looks way better, so.
I think so.
Bro, switch them back to silver. Luckily, it's just a bunch of 10s.
Yeah.
Hurry up. This engine isn't gonna fix itself. I like to move everything out the way before I go into those tight spaces.
Jeez.
Is that all? You wanna grab a marker and write the numbers on this wires?
It feels like it's kind of hot.
Well, you didn't want to open the garage door, so I don't know what to tell you. You don't have a marker?
No.
Geez, stop being lazy.
Smart.
Dang, look at this, guys. She made SOS Braille dot symbols for her. Instead of writing 1, 2, 3, she put dots.
Yeah, because it's white out. You can't really write too good. Wasn't that smart?
Yep.
Don't even yup me like that.
Sometimes I don't know what can I do. They're all different shoes, so make sure you keep them in order.
No way.
Okay. Oh, there's one more right there.
Actually, I need the garage open.
It's up. Got him. Throw the whole car away. So we got one side painted. Debating if we're gonna paint the bottom plenum. Probably not. It's hard to see it from inside there anyway. Christine's over here dropping all the bolts. She loves to just put all her bolts in one big pile so she don't lose them all. They're all 10s and 12s, yeah.
That's what I said the first time I took it off. And you know what? All the bolts went back exactly where they were supposed to.
Are you sure exactly where they're supposed to?
Mm-hmm.
That's to start your car, that wire.
No, it's not. It's the throttle cable.
No, that's just, you start it. Like a lawnmower. You go,
And then after you hurry to run back in the car.
yeah. I feel like your car will run a lot better when we change the intake gasket. Because if that was sucking in air from that manifold over there, that was a big vacuum leak. The car should run a lot better.
Is that what that whistling sound is?
It could have been.
Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down, yeah? No friends of mine around.
It's done. You need to cover now.
Now I'm thinking now.
Well, we forgot to do the transition, but it's painted, and she's putting it in now. So she cracked this valve cover right now, trying to put it in because she wanted to show everybody how strong she was.
I didn't know.
So we need to go get a new cover somewhere.
Hopefully Pick and Pull has.
Yeah, I don't go to the picking pool, so you gotta go by yourself.
I can go tomorrow.
Just kidding. It doesn't need to be super tight. It just needs to be like a hand tight, and then maybe like a quarter turn or something. It doesn't need to be like 500 foot-pounds.
Breaking news got me breaking. I was present, hopeless, praying. Struck down at 20, plenty left to put behind you. You ain't peaked, never speaking, now they speaking about you, leave it alone. Hope you grinning while you watch your bros on some sofa sunny shit to brighten up a wounded soul. Honest, you the penny, break it down like Chevy.
So did we lose it or did I lose it?
I gave it to you with the thing on. It was on there.
I don't know where the top part of this oil cover is. I don't know. Did it have it? I think I see it.
Under the manifold?
Yeah.
I told you.
Is it? I got the cover.
I told you.
I didn't even know this can come off.
Got it? Or did you break it?
Oh,
Oh, it probably pops back on. You probably got it.
oh there.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I drive around, don't feel it all. Why it's getting colder when the sun comes out. Might just waste away, don't know what life about. Another day go by, don't know what got me down. Drum blows, yeah, I got the drum blows. Just something you get used to, yeah. Go blame the drum blows, yeah. It's just the drum blows, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. Just something you get used to.
So we're putting on all the covers now, like all the beauty pieces that we had off when we were trying to like get everything working properly. And I must say the engine is looking pretty clean right now. It's about what, 11 o'clock?
What is it?
Yeah,
Okay.
it's 11 at night. Just powering through, almost done. It's too late to start the car because this car is kind of loud, but yeah, guys, it's coming out pretty good. What do you guys think?
So there's a couple of places on here that have RTV. We're gonna let it dry overnight, and then tomorrow we can come back and just make sure that that car starts and works like how it used to or how it's supposed to. So that's gonna be it for today. Thank you guys for watching. We'll catch you guys tomorrow. Peace out and stay good.